Okay, this video is about OlMonitor Updater and OlMonitor Update Notifier. They're two new programs that work together to help you keep apprised of new updates. They replace the old Astrum install updater, which was having some problems. It's working right now, but these two do a lot more stuff, and I think you're going to like them. To get the update notifier and the updater, if you haven't downloaded the latest version of OlMonitor, you can just go to the link that I sent you an email. It'll bring you this publish page. This is a click once deployment. Supposedly the easiest way to deploy Microsoft programs. We'll see about that. Let me know if you have any trouble. To install, you just click install. If you're on Internet Explorer, it'll launch right away. Otherwise, if you're on Chrome, it'll come down here in the download bar, or you may have to go to downloads and find it. You'll get a warning if you're on Windows 7 or Windows 10. It's fine. All right. Let's take a look. Small, simple program. The notifier is designed to run in the Windows tray all the time and just let you know when an update comes available. I'm not going to talk about the install right now. We're going to talk about notifications, and we'll get to the install part later. So there's two ways to get notified by a tray notification, which pops up here in the Windows tray and then disappears after a while. Or you can get it in the OlMonitor message bar. You can have it checked daily, weekly, pick a day, monthly, pick a day. You got to pick a time. All right, so let's see what happens. Let's test what would happen if it was the right time of day for the interval check to take place. That's the updater. It just flashed by. It checked for an update, and boom, there we have our tray notification showing us that a new version is available on the server. Let's see what it looks like in OlMonitor. Go away. Okay, so this is the OlMonitor message bar, and that is what that looks like. So that would pop up if you got it on your main OlMonitor. Maybe some text would see that and let you know, hey, there's a new version available. All right, so where we're at it, let's take a look at how you get to the updater and the notifier from OlMonitor. In the newest versions, the updater has replaced the Astrum. So, okay, right away, it's letting you know there's a new version. Do you want to download it? Let's go ahead and download it. And it's going to close our beloved OlMonitor OL. All right, and it immediately downloaded the new file and it launched it for us. So you would need to click through and enter your serial unless you do the silent option, which I will show you later. All right, and look at this. It's showing you everything that it's done here. So if there's any trouble, like a 404 error or something, you'll see what happened up here. Let's take a look at the updater while it's up here. So under controls, we can immediately check for an update. We don't have to wait. You can choose where to download your updates. So it defaults to the download folder. You can decide to download them to some other folder. Maybe you want to put it on a shared drive. I don't know. Available versions. So every one that you download with this updater, it will log it and list it right here in the available versions. So here you can see what's new in this version. We click it, you can see all the changes. We're on 190L, so only a few revisions have happened, and it shows everything that's happened since you last installed. Now, if you've got a really old version, it might show the whole history file, and you'll just have to look through all of it. And go back here. And this is just deposit. You know, if you left this updater running, it would continually, every few moments, it'll check for the update and keep asking you if you want to install it. That's why a lot of the time we will have updater on auto close. Okay. So we have a few options for installing the updates automatically. And I'm not going to show you this right now, but you could, if you wanted to, have it automatically install the updates as soon as it finds them. If you're feeling like every new version won't have any new bugs and feeling lucky, so you might want to get the updates continuously. There's an option for a silent install, and if we click that, it'll check. Now see, I didn't install my OlMonitor properly, and it's telling me that it can't find the serial number, so the silent install won't actually complete. So we can go back to looking at the installer, and we have to enter the serial number. We're going to go back to Notify. Alright, in OlMonitor, the new version, we've got a couple of options now in the Advanced tab, or well, one new option. The Auto Update Check. Since the Notifier is installed, it's letting you know that you're checking automatically for updates. Now if we clear this, installed, and you went in here and you looked and you said, oh yeah, I want to get auto updates, all it does is lead you to the install page to get the notifier. But the updater actually is present in OlMonitor, so you don't really have to use the notifier if you don't want to. You can just click help and check for update. Another way you can do it, notifier, it will let you know where the location of the update program is, or you can find it in the OlMonitor folder. And if you're into command line stuff, you can go here to the command line. We've got a lot of command line options. Keep in mind you need to have this DLL alongside the updater and wherever you put it. And other than that, we have a few options. M is a manual option. That just launches the updater in manual mode. And so you can go in and set your options and look at your different versions and stuff. So yeah, pretty cool. Let's see what else we have. R is for rollback. I might add more to this right now, but right now it just shows you your downloaded versions, and you might want to go back to an old version. So you could do that from here if it's downloaded through the updater. What about the good stuff? We want to install the update with the updater. So then we would use the /i install, and we can add the S for silent. See what that gets us. Not exactly silent because the updater is giving us a pop-up, but it will launch the installer in silent mode, and you can see that the installer completed because it leads us to the email page. If you want it totally silent, we can add the /h option, and that'll hide the updater as well, and just completely automatically try to force the OlMonitor update. So if you just know for sure that you want the latest version, this is more than what this is for. You can use this option for the, instead of looking around for your download links, you could use this option and it would automatically grab the latest version and download it for you. Okay, that's it. The notifier, like I said, is designed to run in the tray. When you minimize it, it goes to the tray. Here it is. It's a little globe with a down arrow. Pull it back. Settings is lets us know a lot of information that you might not be interested in, but if you have any trouble, you might get some clues over here. We can minimize it to tray here. And of course we have the online help. You click on, and currently this is showing the support page, but it will later. I'm going to add this. It's going to go straight to the, oops, wrong manual. It's going to go straight to the updater manual, which is also the notifier manual. You get all the help you need, most of the help you need from the manual. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoy this new program.